Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-6690CW printer driver and download. Okay, so this is very easy way to install and I will share with you how to install and how to download via USB printer. Okay, so first open any browser, Google search box to type the model number and after download same. Okay, any browsers but Google search box. Yeah, so after that you can see the support.brother. This is official URL. Yeah, click on it, then select the operating system, which is Windows in Linux and mobile, and then Windows 11, and then click to OK. Okay, and Windows also 10 and servers installations process also same. So this is first the printer driver scanner local connections. Okay, this is the only printer driver, and the both driver also same, so no worry. Yeah, select on it, click any options. Yeah, and after that you can see this is actually the license and agreement is click to download, and after that it will start downloading. Yeah, and this is very fast download depending on your internet spread. Yeah, then this icon is where it is downloaded, this folder will open it, so click on it. So then right click and copy, then minimize all, then right click and paste. Okay, so this is for means very easy to understood. Okay, yeah, then right click and click on open. Yeah, and dispatch. Yeah, and then you can see is it cleared ENG. Okay, then after that close it, then click to start and click on setting, then click the Bluetooth and device, then printer and scanner, then add device. After that it will show the manual options after 5 seconds. Okay, so this is click on it. Yeah, and then select the last one local, then next click on have disk, then click browse. Okay, and then come to desktop. So this is created earlier, which is extracted. Then select the INF and then open, then click to OK. Yeah, so after that find out 6690 D 6690CW printer. Okay, then next. So first, very important, if your printer is turned off, so turn on and connect to your desktop and laptop via the printer USB cable. Okay, and then click to next. Now this is installed, then again next and finish. So you can see this printer is installed. Okay, then your printer and your connected system both need to restart and then check it. Okay, thank you.